Howdy folks, and welcome back to my channel. I am very excited. Today's video is going to be part one of a two-part series that is going to take you step by step through a beginner belly dance combination with finger cymbals. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make even the most basic of finger cymbal patterns really interesting. And then in the next video I'm going to share with you, we are going to set the entire thing to a fabulous combination to music. So let's dive in. My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. The finger cymbals are an ancient instrument with incredible historic ties to belly dance, and as such, I feel like it's really important for every belly dancer to learn how to play them. And apparently, you do as well, because you're here. So thank you so much for that, and congratulations on taking this step in your belly dance and finger cymbal journey. In today's video, I'm going to talk you through how you can make even the simplest of belly dance zill patterns interesting without making them overly complex. So I consider this to be a beginner finger cymbal pattern, and we are going to place it to a combination in the next video that is fairly simple as well. My goal is to get you dancing and zilling in no time at all. So today we are going to work with one pattern. Just one. Like I said, I'm going to keep it easy, right? But I'm not going to make it boring. Here's the thing. We are going to be working with the gallop. And if you've ever played finger cymbals, most likely that's the pattern that you've already learned. It is one of the most beloved and one of the most overused patterns in belly dance for a good reason. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty easy. And it works with pretty much everything. So we're going to work with this gallop. I'm going to show you how to play it, and then I'm going to show you how to make it instantaneously more interesting without having to learn anything else. So let's go ahead and give this a try. The gallop is a 3-stroke pattern where you're going to play 3 strokes of your cymbals and there's a pause. The way that I count it as a musician, and you are now a musician too, is going to be as follows. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. If this is your beat, here's our count. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. So you can see every time I say a syllable and a 1, those are your 3 strokes, and they land on the beat, which I think is why they call it the gallop, because it kind of gallops forward onto the beat like you're riding a horse, right? When I play this, I tend to be right hand lead, so I play it right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right. If you're left-handed, you can play it left, right, left, left, right, left, or you can continuously alternate and play right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. If finger cymbals are new to you, I invite you to explore and see what comes easiest first. If finger cymbals are not new to you and you're like, oh, the gallop, I invite you to play it with a hand pattern that's a little bit different than what you're used to. So if you're right hand lead, do it left hand lead or continuously alternating. You can always find a way to challenge yourself. So let's just play this gallop so we make sure we know what we're working with before I start to mess with it. I always like to move when I play finger cymbals. I find it's the best way to begin to get the idea of playing and dancing at the same time. But we're just going to step touch, or you can do something fancier if you please. Yeah, so here's our tempo. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. So the zills are going to go like this. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 4, 3, 2. Here we go. If you'd like, you can move those arms. And pause. So that is our gallop, our known and loved and so often used gallop. Now, let's take a second to talk about how we can make this pattern more interesting when we put it with a combination, when we put it on music. The gallop is fabulous and wonderful. It works in so many situations, but all too often, we belly dancers tend to sort of lawn mow over the music with the gallop and just play it continuously for like 5 minutes straight. Nobody wants to listen to that, right? We want to think of ourselves as an accompaniment to the music. We are part of the musical composition. So even if I'm just playing the gallop, we can do it in a way that's going to make it more interesting. So today we're going to focus on the idea of taking pieces out of the gallop. So instead of playing all 8 counts of the gallop, we're going to leave holes in it so that it becomes more interesting and sounds different. So the way we are going to be playing it within the combination we're working on is as follows. We've got several different options. The first option is every other. So let's say we're working with a 4-count gallop and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Instead of playing all 4 repetitions of the 3 pattern, we're going to do the 1 and the 3 and a 1 and a 3 and a 1 and a 3. So we're leaving out the and a 2 and the and a 4, right? So let's give that a try. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1 and a 3, and a 1 and a 3. You see how that works, right? So it's the gallop. I promise you, it's still the gallop. It's still the same pattern, but it sounds different than, right? Instantly more interesting by adding silence. As musicians, sometimes silence is the hardest thing to play. Just like as dancers, sometimes stillness is the hardest thing to do. But both are very important parts of your final composition. So we have every other. Let's try another concept. Let's go ahead and do the first 3 in a 4-count series of gallops, and we're going to leave off the 4. So we're going to do and a 1 and a 2 and a 3, and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. One more. Yeah, same idea. It's the gallop, but we're just doing 3 instead of all 4. Okay, here's another variation. Let's just flip that one on its head. Instead of doing and a 1 and a 2 and a 3, let's just do and a 4. This requires you to count because there's a lot of silence in there, and there's nothing better than silence to make you rush your and a 4. Don't give it away, right? We're going to count those 3. So in your head, you're ticking away and a 1 and a 2 and a 3, and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. Keep counting in that head. Last one here. Yeah, so we've got the and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 silence, and the silence, 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 and a 4, right? All the gallop, all different variations. Let's do one other option, and then we're going to kind of put it all together, right? So our last bit that we're going to use in the combination is, believe it or not, just the regular straight up gallop. We're going to play all 4 in a 4-count series, right? So this time we'll play all 4 iterations of that gallop. This is the one you're probably the most familiar with. So if it goes 5, 6, play all 4, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Now play 1 and 3, yeah? And a 1, and a 3, and a 1, and a 3. Now play the first 3, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Now just the 4. Quiet, quiet, quiet. 1, 2, 3. Now back to all of them. And 4, 3, 2, 1, and pause. Nicely done. Because I am always asked, I wanted to take a second to let you know what finger cymbals I am playing today. I have a rather large collection. I am mildly addicted. These actually, I'm so excited. I thought I had lost them and I just found them the other day, so I knew I had to put them on for this video. These are my Saroyan Gawazis in bronze. They're one of my only sets of bronze cymbals, and I love the color. Well, they were much more copper when I first received them, but I've played the heck out of them. And they have this clean, clear, such nice high ringing tone. So once again, these are the Saroyan Gawazis in bronze. And if you want your own pair, you can find them at sahirabellydances.com/Saroyan cymbals. And I'll put a link below for you. Okay, so now we're going to do something kind of fun. We are going to play only the finger cymbals for this dance combination that you're going to learn in the next video. So we're going to look at the gallop in all of its various ways that we've practiced here. And I'm going to show you the order that they're going to go in. Yeah, I'm going to talk you through it like it's a little hard to memorize, but I'm going to talk you through it. We're going to play it together, and then you will be armed and dangerous when it is time to put it to the music. Yeah, so here's our pattern. Here's how it's going to go. We're going to do and a 1 and a 3 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. That's our first section. Let's say maybe that's section 1. Then we're going to repeat it exactly the same way. And a 1 and a 3 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. So section 1 repeats twice. Yeah, let's go ahead and play that. 6, 7, 8. Do it again. Yeah, let me show you the next part and then we'll put it all together. The next section is going to be and a 4 and a 4. Yeah, so we're going to be doing and a 4 and a 4, then another and a 1 and a 3, just like the beginning. And then we get one set of 4 where we finally play them all, which is kind of like, yes, there's all 4 of them. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. So section 2 is going to go, and it's going to start with the silence, right? Silence, 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 and a 4, and again, and a 4, and a 1, and a 3, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. I'm going to repeat that for you one more time, and then we're going to play it. So it goes, and a 4, and a 4, and a 1, and a 3, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Let's do it. 6, 7, 8. Again, quiet for 3. Quiet for 3. Right away. And a 3. Here's 4. Let's try it one more time. Yes. All right. Let's put our 2 sections together. So remember that first section had an idea that repeated twice. And a 1 and a 3. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3. And again. And a 1 and a 3. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3. Then we go. And a 4. And a 4. And a 1 and a 3. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Woo! You got that? That's a lot of syllables for these finger cymbals. Yeah, that's a lot of, we got it though, but it's all the gallop. Can you believe that that's it. That's all we're playing is the gallop, right? But look how many varieties we have and look how interesting it has become because we haven't just lawn mowed over with gallop the entire time. Yeah? So we're going to play that entire combination all the way through. I will count it and play it. Then we'll repeat it once where I will just play it with you. Yeah? Here we go. 5, 6, here we go. And a 1, and a 3, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Repeat. And a 1, and a 3, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Here comes our silence. And a 1, and a 3, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. And again, here's the top. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to me here so that I can send you fantastic cymbal content on a regular basis. If you've enjoyed what you've seen and you are ready to take your finger cymbal playing to the next level, please join me for my finger cymbal jumpstart. You can find it at sahirabellydances.com/Zillstar. It is a completely free jumpstart to get you the foundation that you need to become the Zillstar that you were meant to be. I look forward to making music with you there.